I've been in love with cars since I was born. I never imagined that someday I would be sitting in the most powerful production car in the world. I'm Andy Wallace. I spent 32 years as a professional racing driver. I now work for Bugatti as an official driver. As far back as I can remember, I've always been interested in cars. Going to my first race, you watch them negotiate this corner at a crazy speed, getting close to each other, passing each other. I also remember walking around the pits after the event and imagining what it might be like to be a racing driver. My first experience of Le Mans was amazing. To watch these cars going around at incredible speeds, and they just kept on going and going. And I think even from that early age, that really caught my imagination. It was a bit of a struggle to get started. Then success in Formula Ford and Formula 3 came my way. A win at Le Mans in '88, and then 3 wins in the Daytona 24 Hours. And that really got the ball rolling. What really surprised me when I retired from racing and I started to work with Bugatti, I'd never experienced the sort of acceleration in any of the racing cars that I drove. And so even though the Veyron and the Chiron weigh close to 2 tons, they have such an enormous amount of torque that the acceleration feeling is incredible. 0 to 200 in 6 seconds flat, 0 to 300 in 13.1. Those numbers are absolutely staggering. I've always liked technology, and all through the racing career you're pushing the boundaries. But when you step into this place here in Molsheim and you see what Bugatti do, this technology is being pushed as far as you possibly can. It reminds me of being in a professional race team. It's fantastic. As an official driver for Bugatti, I couldn't ask for a better job, to be honest.